When did mammoths live on Wrangel Island? Have you ever wondered about the woolly mammoths that roamed the earth? Specifically, when did they inhabit Wrangel Island? This intriguing question takes us back to a time when these magnificent creatures thrived in the Arctic. Woolly mammoths became isolated on Wrangel Island, located off the coast of Siberia, around 10,000 years ago. This isolation happened as the mainland mammoth populations were going extinct at the end of the last ice age. On Wrangel Island, these mammoths managed to survive for approximately 6,000 years, living there until about 4,000 years ago. This timeline makes them one of the last known populations of woolly mammoths on our planet. Initially, a small group of about 8 mammoths founded the population. Over time, the number stabilized, with estimates suggesting that around 200 to 300 individuals lived on the island. Despite their long existence, the Wrangel Island mammoths face challenges. The population experienced a gradual decline in genetic diversity due to inbreeding. This inbreeding led to the accumulation of mildly harmful genetic mutations. However, the most harmful mutations were slowly eliminated, allowing the population to persist in this isolated environment for thousands of years. The extinction of the Wrangel Island mammoths around 4,000 years ago is believed to be linked to this genetic decline and environmental changes. Unlike their mainland counterparts, which disappeared due to human hunting and climate change, the Wrangel Island mammoths lived without direct human impact for millennia. Their extinction highlights how small, isolated populations in polar regions can be vulnerable to genetic and environmental pressures. Wrangel Island is significant in the history of polar scientific discoveries. It provides a unique window into the survival of Ice Age megafauna in isolated Arctic environments long after they vanished elsewhere. The island serves as a natural laboratory for understanding how species adapt to extreme polar conditions and the factors that lead to their extinction. So, to answer the question, mammoths lived on Wrangel Island from about 10,000 years ago until around 4,000 years ago. This period represents the last refuge of woolly mammoths in the polar regions and offers critical information about the effects of isolation and environmental change on Arctic megafauna.